Yo, 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 yo! What up, guys? What it do? What it do? Gorilla Bear Tech is back for you with another product unboxing and review, guys. So let's get started. Now, guys, this was the other LiPo battery I was talking about after my Vant battery LiPo video, okay? That 3-cell Vant battery LiPo. This is a 2-cell, guys. It's not a 3-cell. It's a 2-cell. I wish it was a 3, but it would have cost me $49.99. Got this on Black Friday earlier today for $29.99, baby, from my local hobby shop. Now, you guys all know I'm a tech head. I'm a techie when it comes to a lot of stuff in general. When it comes to Bluetooth, headphones, that is, wired earbuds, wired headphones, electric, nitro, and gas RC cars, you name it, guys. I love technology. Real cars, whatever it may be, whatever I consider tech. Whatever is worthy of, being turned into, whatever is worthy of making a video on, I'm going to make a video on, okay? What I would consider or deem as tech. Now, this is definitely tech. This is definitely along those lines. And this is a new LiPo battery that I've purchased. Like I said, never owned this brand either, guys. It's new. And it's the first time that I'm using bullet connectors too, 4mm size bullet connectors. All right, this came with the battery. I already charged this battery, but I haven't run it yet. I'm gonna put it through its paces and let you guys know what it's like. I don't know why I said review, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna put it through its paces. This is more like an open unboxing, okay? I'm gonna put it through its paces, and I've never used bullet connectors, all right? But this is another LiPo battery by the name of GENS. Now, if you guys haven't heard of the company GENS, they're supposed to be a very good company. A lot of people recommend them. They're fairly well when it comes to pricing. They're about the middle of the mill. And this one specifically here is a 2S LiPo. Okay, it's a 2-cell, 7.4 volt, 50C rated 2-cell. So that's excellent for a 2-cell. Okay, 2S 1P 37WH. Like I said, 5,000 milliamps. Runtime is excellent. The power you can rely on. 4.0mm bullet connector, GENS once again, some company branding. All right, originally $50, but I got it for $29.99. All right, if this one's good, guys, I'm definitely going to buy the 3S. I'm sure this one's not going to disappoint me. More than likely, I'm going to get the 3S, okay? But like I said, guys, it's not 500 milliamp, it's 5,000. I don't know why it says 500 there, but 500 milliamp, 50C, whatever. And I've already opened it, so I'm going to have you guys take a look at it. It's just a boxing. I'm showing you the outside. Okay, sorry I said review, guys. I meant to say unboxing. I haven't run it yet. I just get used to saying unboxing review. Sometimes I mess up, guys. I'm sorry. I'm human. All right, but let's get it open, and let's see what's inside. Now, once again, you get this wire in this little package thing right here. This little, what do they call this? A little sleeve. It's a little baggie, like a Ziploc bag for the wire. Okay, I kept it. I didn't throw it away. Okay, but like I said, it's more of an unboxing, guys. Okay, an open unboxing. Now you're greeted with this stuff. Now, obviously, the battery was in the bubble wrap, but I took it out just for this video since I've already opened it and charged it. You get this stuff laying on top of it, some foam, styrofoam. Well, I wouldn't consider this styrofoam. I don't know what they call this, guys. I'm sorry, but anyways. You're greeted with the battery, okay? You got another layer of one of these underneath the battery, but you open the box and it looks like this, okay? You got your positive and your negative for this wire. All right, guys? And you take it out. Once again, guys, I don't have a tripod. I'm sorry. I will be getting one. I know I didn't prioritize that, but I will get one. That's going to be one of my next things to buy. 5,000 milliamp, once again, GENS. LiPo battery, 7.4 volt, 50C, 2S1P, 37WH. You got your warnings at the back. Pause and read for yourselves. Okay, guys? Always take heed to LiPo warnings, guys. LiPos are serious. They're not a joke. Now, once again, this is another hard case. The reason why I love it so much, and the reason why I like hard cases at times, is because you can't always fit a soft pack in any car. Most cars are not all made the same. The majority of RC cars out there, whether it's Traxxas, HPI Racing, you name it, whatever it is, Kyosho, Red Cat, you don't know that they're all shaped you know, different way. The chassis layout's different. Some of them have a mid-motor design. Others have a rear motor design, you know, such and such. So you can't fit all batteries or what you think would fit in just any car. You have to have the hobby shop, you know, check it for you, check it out, you know, drop in one of their, you know, demo cars and, you know, see what it's like. You know, have them put in a demo before you make the purchase, okay? I knew that this would fit just by looking at it because it's the same length as my Vant battery. Same width, basically. It's just the same measurements. But what's different is I'm new to this. I've never had batteries with bullet style connectors, okay? Where you actually can detach them after you're done charging them. And once you're getting ready to store your battery away from a run, that's awesome, guys. I love that. You know, there's no way you can tear up your cables. You know, it's just easier to just be able to remove your plug, or as I should say, your wire cable from the battery, just to detach and put it away when you're storing it in your, you know, in your drawer, wherever you may store your LiPo batteries, in a LiPo bag. And they do sell LiPo bags for LiPos, guys. They're like, you know, $20 to $30. Worth the investment. I've never taken the time to buy one for myself, but hey, whatever. I may get one, okay, guys? Once again, guys, hope you enjoyed this product unboxing of the GENS 5000 milliamp, 7.4 volt, 50C rated LiPo battery, okay? Once again, I'm new to GENS, guys. I've never used GENS. This is my first time. I just picked this up today. I also picked up 2 wheelie bars. You guys know I'm not going to review wheelie bars because they're Traxxas wheelie bars, and well, they're not really tech related. They're just wheelie bars. The stock plastic wheels. But anyways, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this product unboxing. GENS LiPo battery. Go pick one up for yourselves. Well, don't go and just pick one up for yourselves just yet. But check them out. See if you guys like them. Keep your receipt if you have to, because not every battery is going to be right for your specifications. Okay, guys? There are tons of batteries out there from different companies that we don't even know about. Anyways, guys, enough ranting. Gorilla Bear Tech is signing out. Got more cool videos coming up, so just be patient, guys. Stick around. Until next video, guys. Signing off. Peace.